Hi everyone, welcome to Tuesday. We are writing another opinion paper, but it's very important to realize that today this will be a test. So I'm going to get you started on the test, and then I would like you to complete the paragraph. Please remember that your family cannot help you. You can have all the sentence stems up that are below, but that's all. So the opinion says, why is our school the best? So maybe you want to think about that. Now remember, our school is Rolling Meadows. It's a capital with the R and a capital with the M because it's a proper noun. That means it's a name. So we're not just saying any school, we're saying our school, and our school is Rolling Meadows. So maybe you want to list a few reasons why you think it's the best. So I can't help you with the brainstorm today because it's your opportunity to tell your opinion why you think it's the best, because we probably have different reasons why we think it's the best. Okay, so I will help you with this first part. It says, in my opinion, I think that Rolling Meadows is the best school. Okay, what you will notice is I gave you the first sentence with the stem. Then you're going to fill in this part. I feel this way because blank. I also think this because blank. And then I will help you with the closing as well. This is why I think that Rolling Meadows is the best school. So you are welcome to put these stems on your paper and then fill in the two missing parts. I hope you do well with your test and do your very best and be honest. See you tomorrow.